Today I've got something special for you. Flavor for days and a bit of a culinary adventure. Today I'm making wild fennel and orange loaf cake. Earlier in the year I cooked with wild fennel greens. Now, as summer turns into autumn, fennel seeds are ripe. You can eat them right off the stem as a snack, or let it dry to use for tea or as a spice in sweet or savory dishes. The flavor reminds me of somewhere between licorice and anise. Oh, and when I said you can eat the seeds as a snack, you can, absolutely. And you should, because they are delicious. But they're also quite intense, so maybe start with one and see how you get on. For this recipe you'll need flour, sugar, sunflower oil, baking powder, soy milk, orange zest and fennel seeds. You'll need about a teaspoon of fennel seeds. If you don't have a plant in your garden, consult the spice shelves in your local supermarket. Grind up the fennel really fine and enjoy the scent that fills your kitchen. Zest an orange. When buying citrus to zest, speak to your greengrocer or check the labeling to make sure the orange is meant to zest. There should be less pesticides on the rind, but still wash it well with water and a tablespoon of vinegar, and then wipe it down to remove any dust. Strange world we live in where you need to worry that your food might be covered in poison, but here we are. Ain't capitalism grand? Anyways, zest the least poisonous orange you can afford. Add flour, sugar, milk and oil. Get out a baking tin and spread some oil around, and dust with flour to avoid sticking. Lightly cover with tin foil and bake in the oven at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. The tin foil will keep in the moisture and the cake will be dank. The cake will be dank. After the half hour is over, remove the tin foil, carefully put the cake back in the oven for another 25 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Then it's ready. Look, how pretty. Let it cool for a while and then take it out of its tin. After running a knife around the outside edge, it should come out pretty easily. For the icing, juice half an orange and add around 60 grams of powdered sugar. Depending on how juicy your orange was, you'll need a little more or a little less. Mix until there's no clumps left, then pour it over the cake. You can either sit back and wait for the icing to drip over the side on its own, or hurry it along by tilting the plate. For extra oranginess, add some orange zest and make a nice picture using a skewer. Now, all that's left to do is eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?